may I offer a possibility or possibly two possibilities that are actually programs that can help you, depending on where you are in the evolution of your business. If you're in the startup phase, 6 months up to a year, there's a program available and you actually only need 500 FICO score. If you're at the 2-year mark and you have a 600 FICO score, I would look at a term loan. Now, the first choice that I described is sometimes criticized because it has higher interest rates. But with the banks not lending, and this being a risk-based product, meaning there's no collateral and you only need your bank statements to qualify for it. You're going to need 3 months worth of bank statements, and it has to be from a business bank account. Very important. Business bank account. Very good. So let's get back to it. The great thing about these programs is that you can have your funds within 24 to 48 hours. So that means if you apply before 12 o'clock, you'll get the funds that day, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. After 12 that day, you'll get it the next day, deposited right into your business checking account. Try, if you possibly can, to use these funds, A, to either save your business or to take advantage of an opportunity that doesn't always come around. I have a friend that has a commercial landscaping business. He's taking advantage of these funds to buy snow plow equipment because the winter's coming up and he just needs some down payment money to get a couple of the pieces. This is the perfect example of using funds like this. Again, or if you just simply need to keep the doors open. I hope these two things have been a help to you, and I'll talk to you soon.